Welcome to the third day of computer-aided design using Fusion 360. Today, I will explain another example. So this is the question number 4. Again, this is the isometric view of a cylindrical block is shown in figure. You have to draw the front view, top view and side view from the left. So side view from the left means you have to draw the left side view. Take the arrow direction F as the front side. So here you can see an arrow with F. So this is the front view direction. So this direction will be the top view direction and this will be the left side view, that is LSV, and this side will be the RSV, right side view. So here this is a symmetric object. That means the left side, both the left side view and right side view will be same because this is a symmetric object. So first, so here you can see the cylindrical block very clearly. You can see arrow with F, so that is the front view. All the dimensions are given in millimeters. Then I will go to Fusion 360. I will open the design workspace. Then I will click on the create sketch. And then I will select the plane. You can select any plane. So here I will select any one plane. And then I will draw the base using the rectangle command. So I will take the rectangle command. I will take the 2-point rectangle command. Then I will draw a rectangle. And then I will enter the dimension, that is 12 by 100. That is the length and height of the rectangle. Then I will click on finish sketch and then I will click the extrude button and the extrusion distance. I will change the arrow and then I will enter the extrusion distance as 40 millimeter, minus 40. I will enter the extrusion distance as minus 40. Then I will select the top face of the base and then draw a rectangle of 18 by 16 dimension. I will right click on this top face of the base block, then click create sketch. Then I will draw a rectangle of dimension 18 by 16. I will click on the sketch dimension and here I will enter this as 18 and this dimension as 16. Then I will enter the dimension from the side. It is 12 millimeter. Then I will click finish sketch. Then I will go to extrude button and I will select the sketch and then I will change the arrow and then I will select the operation type. So you can see the operation type as different operation types: cut, join, intersect, new body, new component. So here I will select the cut option. I will select the operation as cut, click OK. Now you can see the left side is completed. Then you have to create the same cutting on the other side. So for creating that cutting option, you can use a command called a mirror command. There is an option that is called a mirror command. So first I will create a central plane using the construct plane option. I will select construct plane option and then you can see the offset plane command opens, window opens. I will click the left face, then I will change the arrow and I will enter the distance value as 50 millimeter. That means that will be the central plane. The total distance is 100, so the central plane distance is 50 mm from one side. Go to the browser tab. You can see under construction, you can see your new plane is displayed and the name of that plane is plane 1. So in this CAD model, you know that 3 default planes plus one new plane, that is plane number 1. In this way, when you are dealing with complicated objects, you have to create n number of planes. So the plane creation is very, very important. You must understand very carefully the plane creation. So then I will go to the create option. I will go to the create option, and then you can see the mirror command. I will click on the create button. So now here you can see the mirror command. So here you can see under the pattern, you can see the mirror command. You have to select this command for mirroring this structure to here, this shape to here. This is the purpose of this mirror command. So I will select the mirror command. When I will select the mirror command, you can see a new window opens, that is called a mirror window. So here in the mirror window, you can see you have to select the pattern type. Which pattern type? Is it face? Is it feature, etc.? Then you have to see the objects. You have to see the mirror plane. So I will select the pattern type as, say, features. So feature means this extrusion, this feature. And I will select the mirror plane. Mirror plane will be the central plane, and then I will click OK. Now you can see your cut in the left side will be created on the right side. So in this way, you can simply create symmetric objects with the help of mirror command. Then another one is you have to create a cylindrical block on the surface of this base. I will click on the top surface of the base. Then I will click, before that I will project all the edges using the project command. I will click the project command option, and then I will project all the edges. Then I will draw a circle with using circle command with a diameter 50 millimeter. Then I will click finish sketch. Then I will extrude and then select all the faces of the circle. Then I will enter the direction as, so here the extrusion is actually on the top side, and one extrusion will be on the top side and one extrusion will be on the bottom side, and the thickness of the extrusion will be different. So I will click on the in the screen you can see direction. So I will click on the direction. You can see 4 options: one side, two, not 4 options, 3 options: one side, two side, and symmetric. So I will select the second option, that is called a two side. I will select the second option, two side. So when I will select on the two side, you can see 2 new options open. That is, you can enter the side 1 extrusion distance, and you can enter the side 2 extrusion distance. Okay, so you can enter 2 different values for side 1 and side 2. So I will check this. You can see the total height of the cylindrical block is 40, and the base you can see the distance is 12. So side 2 extrusion length will be 12, and side 1 extrusion will be 40 minus 12. So I will enter side 1 as 40 minus 12, 40 minus 12, that is side 1 distance, and then side 2 distance as 12 millimeter. I will enter the side 2 distance as 12 millimeter, and then I will click OK. So now you can see 40 minus 12 millimeter extrusion will be on the top side, and a 12 millimeter extrusion will be on the bottom side. Then I will click OK. Now you can see your cylindrical block is created. Then I will draw a hole. So I will draw a hole of diameter 30 and depth as 16. Okay. So you have to, again, I will select the top face of the circle, and then I will draw a circle using circular command, and then enter the diameter as 30, click finish sketch. Then I will click the extrusion button, and then I will extrude direction. I will change the direction, and then I will enter the extrusion distance as minus 16. Now you can, and the operation is cut. Now you can see a 16 depth hole is created on the top surface of the cylindrical block. Then the next step is you have to save this. You have to save this, and then I will name this. This is the third file, so I will name this as cat3. And then next I will change the workspace into drawing workspace. I will click on the design workspace on the left side. So in the left side you can see this is the workspace. So I will use the last workspace, that is the drawing workspace. And drawing, I will click on the from. You can see two options, from design and another one option, that is from animation. So here I am using the first option, that is the from design option. So I will select this drawing workspace from design, so such that your workspace is changed into drawing workspace. So now you can see this is the drawing workspace. In the drawing workspace you can see the drawing sheet. So this is the A4 drawing sheet. So you can fix the size of the sheet, such as A3, A4, A2, etc. Then I will add one view, and you can see in the right side you can see the drawing window. So in the drawing window you can see you can change the orientation. So here you can see change the orientation of the views, so that you can set the view orientation as top orientation, front, right, or home, top, bottom, left, right, front, back, southwest isometric, southeast isometric, northeast isometric, and northwest isometric. So these are the different orientations. Then also you can change the style, and also you can change the scale. So these are the some of the options in drawing view. So I will, now you can see your view, because you can see your view is not properly aligned. So I will use the modify option. In the modify option you can see three options: move, rotate, and delete. So I will use the second option, that is the rotate option. I will use the rotate option, and I will rotate this. I will rotate this. Now you can see I will rotate this. So this is the top view. Then I will select the projected view, and then I will project the front view from the top view. And then again I will click the projected view, and then I will draw the side view. So you can see the front view. So this is the this is the front view. So I will write here, this is the front view, and you can see this view is the top view, and this view, okay, so this view is called a left side view. Sometimes you may think that this is the, when you are dealing with your notebook, this side will be your right hand side. Okay, so this is actually first angle projection. First angle projection means object is situated in the first quadrant. When an object is situated in first quadrant, the left side view will be in this side, right side. Okay, so this is left side view, and this will be the right side view. If the object is in third quadrant, that means third angle projection, this will be different. So left side view will be in left side, and right side view will be in the right side. Okay, so this in this way you can create the front view, top view, and the side views, the right side view and left side view. So you have to add all the dimensions. How to add the dimension? You can see there is an option that is called dimension option. So here I will circle here. So here you can see this is the dimension option. You have to click on this dimension and you have to add all the dimensions. And finally, you have to, in the right side, you can see the PDF option. You have to convert this into a PDF document and you have to submit this as your third assignment. Okay, so this is the third assignment. See, this is a practical oriented program. You have to practice all these CAD models using Fusion 360. Otherwise it will be it will not be good. So you have to complete this as your third assignment and you have to submit this in the Google Classroom. If you have any doubt or any queries, you can post it in the Google Classroom. I will reply. So with this I will stop today's session. Thank you.